Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you where you can find the BioScanner inside of Subnautica 2. I'm over here at the research outpost, which is 1,300 meters directly east of the life pod. If you want to get over here, you can just head straight east from the life pod in your tadpole. Just skim along the surface so you don't get eaten by any giant squid. You'll see this giant tower. Just head down from there and you'll find this research station. From here, we're actually going to go to the sort of like middle of 120 and southeast on our compass. Oh, is it turning nighttime? No, it's not. And then we're just gonna, so to begin with, we're gonna go out straight to the 120 by southeast away from the research station, until we find ourselves what looks like a bit of the crash-landed cicada broken off above an alien power generator. So here to our left is going to be a giant alien power generator, and then sort of just right behind it is going to be a giant pillar of rock that is going to have our crash-landed chunk on it that we are going to find the bioscanner inside of. The bioscanner is just a fancier, more improved version of the regular scanner, and what it's going to allow us to do is scan and utilize alien technology better. So once you arrive over here at this wreckage, you're going to want to make sure you have a repair tool, and we're just going to hop out here in front of this door. So we have lots of oxygen available to us. And then we're just going to try and get inside of here and get all the way to the bottom of this place before we run out of oxygen. So there's going to be a lot of different story elements in here that you can grab, including this black box. I'm just going to ignore it. And we're going to go down this hole. And we're just going to try to go all the way down this shaft here until we reach... Oh, there's also some free oxygen we could top up with here next to this abandoned scuba tank. And down here at the bottom of this vessel is going to be the bioscanner. It's going to require a little doing to get all the way down here, but here next to this broken door is the new and improved scanner, the bioscanner. So give it a scan, and then you'll be able to build the new and improved version. So once you're back at your base after scanning the biomod scanner, or the bioscanner, I should say, you can open up the modification station, which you can find either in that shipwreck we were just at or inside the research outpost. And then inside of here, you can see the bioscanner. And the bioscanner requires a scanner, 2 enameled glass, and 3 conduit crystals in order to craft. Once you have that, you'll be able to go around scanning all of the different animals again inside of this game, and you'll be able to unlock a bunch of different passive biomods that make it so that you can do things like turn invisible. So that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.